Welcome to 2150 Briar Glen Drive, nestled between the storied neighborhoods of River Oaks, Roanoke, and Afton Oaks. Hi, I'm Julie Tam, managing broker of LYN Realty. Welcome, and let me give you a tour. As we enter through the front door, this foyer welcomes you with hardwood flooring, a beautiful staircase, and enough space for a large console table like this one. As we enter through the home, you will find abundant closet storage space from this coat closet on this side, and on the opposite side of the foyer, a large storage closet. The guest suite is downstairs and is so beautifully appointed. The furniture and decor are not included. Double doors welcome you here, Berber carpet, a ceiling fan with recessed lights really set the mood. There is a walk-in closet for this guest suite, or you could use it as a secondary bedroom for someone in your home. And the bathroom here with highly appointed finishes of the finest quality, marble countertops, Kohler faucets, decorative mirrors in all baths, and brushed nickel pulls for the cabinets, tile surround at the tub and shower. There is a door from here to get out to your private yard. This is actually rare because this is one of those corner single family detached homes in this gated community. Some of the other ones are attached townhomes, so you really have a gem in this one. Enough space for a cute French bistro table, pavers and more pavers that lead you through the rest of the yard where there's nice landscaping and plenty of space to put all of your patio furniture. Let's head back out into the hallway to take a look upstairs with wrought iron railing throughout the staircase, along the sides of the staircase, and again, hardwood floors. Enough space here if you want to put any additional furniture or accessories. As you go upstairs, you'll notice a spacious living room where you can fit large profile furniture. Insets on either side of the cast stone gas log fireplace allow you to put pieces like your television and a stand and also a china cabinet. And pay specific particular attention to the glorious chandelier in this room. These chandeliers can be included with the right offer. There are $20,000 approximately of window coverings in this home from Restoration Hardware, so you really have a lovely feel and mood in this home. As you can see, a large area rug can fit in this living room, coffee table, additional seating, and even a huge couch. As we back up here, this is the formal dining room where you will find that a large rectangular table or even a square or round one could fit right here. There's space for artwork on the walls, a mirror, whatever else your heart desires. And what more perfect space in the home than a built-in desk nook for working at home? Here you can also fit additional wine storage if you'd like or something else. A half bath here with pedestal sink, and the kitchen with a large island, room for eating in, bar stools there, a drink fridge, beautifully stained cabinets, and soft closed drawers. And your Bosch dishwasher is hidden right here in the cabinetry, stainless steel, large farmhouse sink, a Kohler sink, quartz countertops, beautiful Brizo faucets, and clean, sleek backsplash there. And you've got a 6-burner gas cooktop by Thermador, stainless steel, LG refrigerator with French doors and bottom freezer and a built-in ice maker. And along this panel, you've got your stainless Bosch microwave and oven. And check out the pantry with lots of other options for additional storage in your kitchen. Let's head up to the third floor and I'll talk to you about the surrounding areas because that is really one of the main selling points of this home. You have River Oaks District, Highland Village, the Galleria with the finest shops and restaurants in town, all in this area. Plus, Central Market and Target are within walking distance. As you head up the stairs, pay attention to these walls. The color here is kind of a gray beige, or what they call that grayish color, which is perfect because it has warm and cool tones, easy to match with any furniture and accessories pretty much. The master suite is up here on the third floor. And again, just a magnificent chandelier right there as a centerpiece. You've got a tray ceiling with more elegant crown molding. This is a king-size bed, and you can fit that and 2 nightstands and still have room to spare. Again, more beautiful, just light airy curtains on the walls there. These drapes really set the mood in this home. And there's even space for a sitting area in this master, as you can see. And another thing to note are these doors. So heavy, solid doors with upgraded hardware. As we come into the owner's bath, you can see these dark stained, elegant cabinets with these beautiful glass looking clear knobs. Again, marble countertops and tile on the floors surrounding the jetted tub. You have a separate water closet and also a glass shower enclosure. And of course, what would be complete without another gorgeous chandelier if you take a look up there? This home is so well designed. And a large walk-in closet completes this owner's suite. A lot of different storage options, including built-in shelving. And you can come right out through the double doors. Let's head down the hall for a look at some of the more of the features of this home, including more abundant storage. So you have AC that's zoned, thermostat on each floor, alarm system included. Here's a big storage closet in the hallway. And right across the hall, a linen closet. Your laundry. Also in this hallway, you can fit large, as you can see, LG front load washer and dryer with more cabinets above. And this is another secondary bedroom on the third floor, just exquisite. Again, look at this beautiful chandelier. And as we swing around the closet and the bath with those similar, beautiful, higher end finishes. This home is for the discerning buyer, and I hope you will check it out on har.com. That stands for Homes and Rentals. 2150 Briar Glen, all one word. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to message me or comment here. And please click that like button and subscribe on YouTube and Facebook. This is Smarter Real Estate weekly on Wednesdays, and I hope you have a great week.